Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So I just wanted to make a quick video update for Automated Capital. Just to show you where I'm at with my accounts. I know you guys like to track, how my progress and how I'm doing with my investments. So I just wanted to show you just in case you wanted to get into it, or if you're already into it, then you can make an educated decision. So this is by no means financial advice. This is just my journey and the way that I'm choosing to invest my money. So you can track along. If you decide to invest, that's entirely up to you. Okay. All right. So when you register for EnviFX and open up an account, and I have a video that shows you exactly how to get started with Automated Capital. So it'll be in the description. It will say like how to open your account and deposit money and all that stuff. All right. So Automated Capital uses EnviFX as the broker, right? So basically through EnviFX, you connect over your Forex account to Automated Capital to trade for you. Okay, similar to what Novatech does. Okay, so it's called a PAM account, right? So you allocate a certain percentage or amount of money and they trade it for you. And in return, there's a profit split. Right, so I go over that in my other videos. Typically, the amount of profit split depends on the amount that you invest, and I'll have the breakdown of that in the description of this video as well. So when you open your account and connect over to Automated Capital, you'll see your accounts here, and it'll say EnviFX MT4 PAM Investor. When you have deposited the money, you're not going to see the funds here. The only balance that'll be left is whatever you haven't deposited. Because I know some people ask, they're like, oh, after I deposit it, I don't see my funds. You have to click into it. So when you click on it, EnviFX MT4 PAM Investor. So when you click into it, that's when you can see what your capital is right now, which is what mine is right now. And you can see, how much, your net profit is, and how much the gross profit is, and what the current interval profit is, which is from August 21 to 27. So this week is basically saying that I made $2,416 this week. Okay, and my gross profit has been $6,795, and I began a month ago, so roughly a month and a couple days. So July 19 is when I got started with Automated Capital, and this is my net profit. So after the profit split, this is my net profit. So if I click into it now, you can see here, like the fees that they have taken. So the performance fees and the management fees as well. So depending again on the amount that you invested into, there's a certain amount of fees, and I'll have the detail of that in the description of this video. So July 19 is my start date. And this shows here my net profit. So after the fees and everything, it shows my net profit. The amount that I invested was about $12,897. This will show us lower because I did make a withdrawal of, I think it was like $925 or something like that, that I pulled out of the account. So then it's showing me like my net deposit in this account is $12,096. My net profit, $5,613, to now leave my balance at a total of $17,710. So quite amazing. So in a nutshell, I started with a little bit less than 13K, and I've already made almost $6,000 on this account. So when we calculate the percentage increase, so 12,897, which I started with, and now I'm at 17,706. Click calculate on that. 37% increase in a month and a couple days, right? So August 19 would have been exactly a month, which was a Friday. So a month and I'll say 2 days, because there's no trading on the weekends. So a month and 2 days, 37%, not too shabby. I love it. So that's Automated Capital. It's, in a nutshell, it's a no-brainer for me, right? Because the money stays inside the EnviFX Forex account. Automated Capital cannot run away with the money. They can't touch the money. All they can do is trade on that money. So this is why I love this gig so much, because you know, we've come across from all the rug pulls and all the stupidness with other platforms. It's finally a breath of fresh air to get a platform where you can sleep at night knowing that your money is safe. Okay. Now, are there risks? The only risk is if Automated Capital, for whatever reason, takes a ton load of shit trades, right? If they take some terrible trades, that's the only risk to this. But in my experience, even when there was like the news that happened in the USD pair and price shot up, the drawdown was about 30%. So our account went like 30% negative, but they managed to still turn it around into a profit. Because trading, you don't look at a single day. You look at the span of time, right? That's why I'm looking at over the month, how much have I made? Over the week, how much have I made? So you look at over a span of time. You don't just look at a single day and say, okay, you know, this day wasn't the greatest, so, you know, let me base everything off that. No, you have to take a look at the average of what you have made over a span of time. So they managed to turn that around, and honestly, almost 40% for the months. I'm a happy camper. So yeah, so that's Automated Capital. So if you're interested in getting started with this particular platform, the instructions are in the description. There's a video where I show you how to open an account with EnviFX and how to deposit money and connect it to Automated Capital so that they can trade your account for you. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Telegram. And that's all, folks. So with that being said, have a great day. God bless. Take care. Bye.